This is the tutorial of the English activity I prepared for you for these 2 weeks. You've got 2 weeks to do it, okay? So it's a fun activity called I have a human, okay? And the person who says that is my cat, okay? You already know my cat, okay? Gumi. And this is me, of course, okay? So here is a description that Gumi did. Hello, my name is Gumi, but you already know that. I've got a human. She's my human. Her name is Nuria, blah, 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 blah. You read it carefully, okay? And you'll see what is this, okay? Then here you've got something to help you with translations. Like, for example, when we say she is, okay, look here, it means ella es, he is, ella es, she isn't, and so on. You've got all the translations. She has got, she hasn't got, she loves, she's crazy about, she adores, yeah, here. Here is other ways to say like, she likes, she's fond of, he likes, okay? Other ways to say that we don't like something, like she doesn't like, she dislikes, and hates. Good. So the other thing is she can, ella pot fer or sap fer. So, like, for example, she can play the piano, or she can't play chess, for example. Good. He's good at, for example, I can say I'm good at English, okay, but I'm not good at music. And finally, something to describe what we actually do, like she plays, or he studies, or he doesn't play, not he doesn't plays, no, he doesn't play, or she doesn't study. And finally, he is wearing, que portar posat de roba, or he isn't wearing, okay? Here you've got something to help you write, like if you see here, like we start at the pink one, she is 10 years old, she is tall, she is short. Remember, we do the arrow. Yes, follow the arrow. And here you've got different games to practice all of this vocabulary. For example, I click here and go straight to a Quizlet, okay, with different vocabulary, okay? You get to check it and play, okay? You know how it works. You all know this game, okay? Yeah. So let's go back here. You've got plenty of games, physical description, Kahoot, so on. So what do you have to do is you have to write a description of yourself, but being a cat or a dog or a pencil or a teddy bear or whatever, okay? So you've got 3 levels. 3 levels. You get to choose. You've got level 1, which is easy, okay? Not difficult, with lots of words. Then you've got level 2, okay, which is normal, yes. And then you've got level 3, which is challenging. Good? Good. So what do you do with this? Very good. To use the vocabulary, you click here, yes, and you'll go to this very, very cool mind map, yes, physical descriptions. You can say he or she is short, tall, she likes sports, pizza, she can, okay? Just take a look at this. This is very useful. Good. And once you finish, you go to the Padlet. Yes, of course. You go there and you publish your description with the scary cat. I know that. Okay? So you do 2 things. First, you write your description. I have a human. Hello, my name is Gumi. Good. This is the best part. It says here. Today, she's wearing blue jeans, a black t-shirt, and a pink jumper. She isn't wearing shoes because she's wearing slippers. Okay? Because she's confined. Yeah, I'm confined. Good. And then you make another one, but with the audio. reading. You have to practice the reading first. Listen. Good. So that's your task. Thank you for listening.